Hey folks, JG here. First of all, thank you so much for coming to this page. Second of all, I want to invite you to this very, very special webinar we're doing at Vistra Property Management. Quite frankly, we don't have time to do a lot of webinars and education, so it's very rare that we do this. So you're invited. We're doing a live webinar. We're going to teach 3 things. You know, as a property management company, we see trends, we see the mistakes people are making, we see what's costing people thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. In fact, we've added it up, and this stuff adds up to hundreds of thousands of dollars over the course of the lifespan of a property. We want to teach you about what we call the critical 3. These are 3 errors that property owners, property managers, and people managing their own properties are making, which is costing you thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. So we're going to teach you that. That's number 1. Number 2, we're going to show you some technology, cutting edge technology, to show you how you can get top dollar for your apartment and how you could rent it faster than ever before. You know, one of the biggest challenges in real estate is vacancy. And if you're vacant for just 1 month, your profit and loss income statement might be completely upside down for the year because you were vacant. So we're going to show you some cutting edge tech. I mean, really cool property technology. It's a whole sector called prop tech. We're going to show you an artificially intelligent leasing system to get you top dollar as well as to get it rented faster. Third thing we're going to teach you, and I know it's a lot, is we're going to talk about renovations so you can get a top dollar, rent your apartment faster than ever thought possible, and also see you can keep up with market trends so you don't get behind the market. This is a common error we see. So I look forward to seeing you at the webinar. Get registered. Our Zoom plan only allows us to have so many people in this, so make sure that you get yourself registered. There is a limited number of seats and you want to get in as soon as possible. So get signed up today, click on the information, do what you got to do on this page, submit your information. You'll get a confirmation text message, a confirmation email with the Zoom information, and then I will see you. I'm doing the webinar myself along with my team. I'll be there myself. I look forward to seeing you at the webinar very, very soon. So sign up before it's too late. We'll see you there.